Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here coming at you from the Knife Center. And today we're taking a look at the Benchmade Bugout. Let's check it out. Ever since its introduction a couple of years ago, the Bugout quickly became one of Benchmade's most popular designs. When they introduced this knife, they marketed it heavily towards ultralight hikers and backpackers, but it's become just as successful, if not more so, as a highly pocketable EDC design. The key to that success are these lightweight handles, which are less than ½ an inch thick. They're made from Benchmade's Grivory material, which offers plenty of strength without a lot of unnecessary bulk. It also has open-backed construction with small barrel spacers, keeping things trim and easy to clean out. There's just enough length on these handles for a full grip with my hands, meaning even though they've trimmed this knife down, it can still put in a lot of heavy work. Shaving off a little bit more weight is a shorter pocket clip than their normal ones, which is folded over for deep carry. The handles also house Benchmade's signature axis lock. The lock bar is slightly thinner, again to reduce weight, but it's still plenty strong. And in conjunction with the reversible pocket clip, the axis lock makes this knife phenomenal for both left and right-handed users. It also grants the advantage of keeping your fingers out of the path of the blade, which is a nice built-in safety measure. The S30V drop point blade has a simple but eminently usable shape. And in keeping with the mission of the knife, the blade itself is even thinner than Benchmade's norm, not even a full 3/32 of an inch thick. The flat grind is nice and high as well, and paired with the thin stock, the Bugout is a phenomenal slicer. The original version features a stone-washed blade, paired with blue Grivory and a matching thumb stud. There's also a newer version that features a smoked gray chromium nitride-coated blade with Ranger green handles and a gold anodized thumb stud. You can get either of these variants either with a plain edge, which is going to be easier to keep sharp, or a partially serrated combo edge, which is going to be better for cutting through fibrous materials such as rope. Cream of the crop though is the brand new Gold Class Bugout, and it raises the bar with a Damasteel blade and ghost carbon fiber with blue C-Tech inlays. This is truly the ultimate version of this awesome knife, and it would make a great gentleman's knife or even a fantastic display in your collection. The Bugout is a truly great little knife, and it's well on its way to becoming one of their all-time greatest hits. To get your hands on one, click the link in the description below to head over to knifecenter.com.